Lesson today is on how to open, close, and adjust lot size. If you are a beginner, I know you are facing some challenges in opening trades. So if you want to open your first trade, you can choose like any of these assets. These are what we call assets, these ones. They are known as assets. This one is a currency pair. So if you choose any of these assets or this currency pair, if you want to open your first trade, you simply click the asset that you want. Let us click EURUSD here. You simply click like this. After clicking your asset, you can see this area written new order. Then you click new order. After clicking new order, you can see this section under market execution. This is where you adjust lot size. So the minimum lot size depends on the type of asset that you selected. But for this EURUSD, the minimum lot size is 0.01. So you can simply adjust this 0.01, 0.02 to 0.01 by either clicking the minus 0.01, or you can increase it to 0.03 by clicking plus 0.01, or you can simply edit this area. So let me show you. I can simply click here and you can see my cursor there, and then I can place a 1 there, and then I can simply execute my trade by clicking buy by market. So let me click buy by market. So far I have one running trade. Let me add this one. Order is placed, done. And then you can be directed to this page. These are what we call running trades. These are running trades. When it is showing you these numbers and it is written negative, so the total amount in negative is shown at the top left. So red is for loss and blue is for profit. And this red is not permanent. I can leave these trades until they go to blue, and then I can close them. It is not advisable to keep on closing trades in red because you destroy your capital. If you look at these numbers, we have the balance, we have the equity, we have the margin, we have the free margin, we have the margin level. Our balance is $31.87 here, and our equity is $29.83. So equity is balance plus or minus running trades. So if you subtract this number from balance, we get the equity. And the free margin here is the amount which is available for you to open new trades. So these are three important figures that you can look at. But don't worry about that. Our lesson is on how to open and close trades. So after having these trades which are running and they are in blue, you simply, if you want to close the trade, because if the trade is opened, it can close automatically. Maybe the negative goes beyond your capital, or you set automatic take profit, the take profit is hit. But manually, if you want to close your trade manually, you simply tap the running trade. But so far, we also have an option which is here on these three dots. let me click the three dots, these ones. There's option to close all the positions or to close the losing positions. And there's also another option to close the trades in profit only, or to close the losing trades only. So there are three options. The one for the profits only is not available because I don't have trade in profit. So let me look for another graph so that we can have the trade which can go to profit very fast. Let me go to step index and I can say, what is the minimum for step index? Maybe 0.01, 0.1. And I can say buy there. I just want you to see this option for closing the trades in profit. You can see it is there now, close profitable positions. And if I click, it can only close one position. Let me click. The trade in position is closed. And this is how you do it. But if you want to select manually, you can simply tap any of these two running trades. So you simply tap or do a long press on the trade. And then you can see these options. These options, close position, modify position, new order, chart. So far we are on close position. And after clicking close position, it can ask you if you want to close with loss. So we said it's not advisable, but you can close in loss. It's not advisable to close in loss. And then if you want, you simply click close with loss. But myself, I don't want to close the positions in loss. So this is how you open trades, adjust lot size. Lot size adjustment is done here. And then how to close the trades. Thank you so much. Our next lesson will be on pending orders. We are going to have a lesson on pending orders. Let me show you where you get the pending orders. If you click new orders, you simply click anywhere on market execution there. And we have this buy limit, buy sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. But we are going to focus on these four: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So do not miss my future video. If you are watching on YouTube, please click the notification button, subscribe, comment, and like the videos. The notification button will notify you when I upload the video on how to place some pending orders. Pending orders meaning to say you are not opening the trades instantly, or you are not executing the trades instantly. Do not miss this lesson. Thank you so much. If you don't have account, go to the description section of this video on YouTube and click the link which is there, which can lead you to the site for the broker, and then register your account. Start practicing on your demo account today. On TikTok, simply go to the bio section, and then there's a link which can lead you to the site where you can register your first demo account. Thank you. Goodbye.